Soldering. I'm learning as I go, you know. From the research I've done, they told me to use this. It's a little bit different than what you normally use. It's a tinning flux. And the instructions are a little bit different for soldering brass than it is copper. But I will be, on my next one, I will be using brazing. I don't want to undo my other things either, you know. It's tricky business here for me. But next time I'll be brazing. The solder will go right where the heat's at. It's supposed to. That should do it. Clean it up. All right, I gotta go to the store. I'll come back and do the handle. See you guys.